Hello everyone. Today we are going to see actuator, what they are, the types of actuators and how they work in our real world. This is a simple and clear explanation for students, beginners or anyone curious about how machines move and work. Let's begin. So today's our topics agenda is what is an actuator, why are actuators important, types of actuators, how they work, real life applications, advantages and disadvantages, and finally a quick conclusion. So let's begin with them. What is an actuator? An actuator is a device that converts energy into motion. It's like a bridge between a control signal like a command from a computer and real world movement. For example, when you press a button in your car to roll down the window, the motor inside is the actuator. It takes your input and performs a physical action. Importance of actuators. Actuators are super important in automation and robotics. They are what make machine move. From factories to elevators, cars, planes and robots, actuators are everywhere making machines respond to commands. They are a key part of smart system and industrial automation. Types of actuators. There are 5 types now, but there are so many types. But the measure I have just given 5, that is electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, thermal or magnetic, mechanical. Let's understand each one in detail. So first come electrical actuators. These convert electrical energy into movements. Example includes electric motor, stepper, motors and solenoids. They are common in household appliances, robotics, drones and even in cars. Hydraulic actuators. These are fluid pressure to move things. They are very powerful and are used in heavy duty machines like cranes, bulldozers and excavators. Pneumatic actuator. Then we have these use compressed air to create movement. They are faster and lighter than hydraulics and are commonly used in packaging machines and assembly lines. Then comes thermal actuators, works with heat. They expand and create movement. Magnetic actuators use magnets and electromagnetic force, like in electric relays or tiny motors. These are usually found in small devices and sensors. Now, mechanical actuators. Mechanical actuators are simple. They use gears, pulleys, screws, or levers to create motions. Think of a car jack or a manual lever door. These are mechanical actuators. How actuators work in the physical world. So, how do actuators work? You actually work in the real world. It's simple. They receive a signal, either electrical, air, or fluid pressure, and then move an object or part. For example, pressing a button on a car door sends a signal to the actuator, which then unlocks, opens the door. Real world example. Let's see some examples. A robotic arm in a factory uses electrical actuators. An elevator uses hydraulic actuators to lift. A thermostat uses thermal actuator to control temperature. Automatic doors use pneumatic actuator to open the or close. Now we will see some advantages and limits, that is also called as disadvantages. Like everything, actuators have pros and cons. Advantages are they allow precision, automation and speed control, help reduce manual labor, and limitations are they can be costly and also be complex. Maintenance is high and needed. Here we come to the conclusion. So to the conclude, actuators are like the muscles of a machine. They turn signals into real motions, making our world smarter and more efficient. From small gadgets to big machineries, actuators are silently working behind the scenes. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.